to auto-approve Tutor LMS instructors. Here is a step-by-step video guide. This guide walks you through the process of automatically approving instructors when they register using the instructor registration page in Tutor LMS using the Code Snippets plugin. Step 1. Install the Code Snippets plugin. First, log in to your WordPress admin area. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type Code Snippets. Locate the Code Snippets plugin by Code Snippets Pro and click Install Now. So once installation is complete, click the Activate button. This plugin allows you to add and manage custom code snippets without needing to edit your theme's files directly. Step 2. Add a new code snippet. In your WordPress dashboard, find the New Snippet section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Next, click on Add New to create a new snippet. Provide a title for your snippet, such as Auto-Approve Tutor LMS Instructors, to easily identify it later. Step 3. Insert the auto-approval code. In the code editor provided, paste the code you just copied. This code automatically updates the instructor's status upon registration to approve them immediately. Step 4. Configure and save the snippet. Scroll down to the insertion section and choose Run Snippet Everywhere so it works site-wide. Once you've configured the settings, click Save Changes and Activate. This will ensure the code is live and working on your site. Step 5. Test the auto-approval feature. Visit the instructor registration page on your website. Test the functionality by registering as a new instructor. Upon successful registration, the instructor should be automatically approved, bypassing manual approval. By following these steps, you've successfully implemented auto-approval for instructors in Tutor LMS. This process simplifies the registration workflow, automatically approving new instructors as they sign up, reducing the need for manual intervention.